In this video, I'm going to show you the top healthy snacks you can buy from supermarkets. Because let's face it, we don't always have time to make our own homemade snacks and get organised, so hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Melissa and I'm the nutritionist for Foodies. So let's begin. This is good for on the go because this was a banana bread one. They do lots of different things. It's just really simple fruit, oats and nuts. And it's just got like a really clean labelling. All it has is dates, the fibre, bananas, oats, which are gluten-free, so it's suitable for those with like celiac disease, walnuts, which is good for omega-3 fats. So yeah, it's only 94 calories. One of your 5 a day, so this is a really good shout for snacks on the go. Next up is a brand called Only Natural, and this is another type of nut bar. It's similar to the Naked, gluten-free as well. And then this one, yeah, is pretty much another brand. It's similar to Naked. It's got dates, cashew nuts, raisins, cocoa, and natural flavourings, and that is it. So yeah, great source of fibre and no added sugars. And this flavour is cacao and orange, so I think Naked Bar do a version of that as well. This is a little bit savoury snack. So this is a company from Indie Bay, and it's 99 calories per pack. It is crunchy pretzels and it's cheesy. This is also vegan and it's basically spelt bites. So it's a source of protein and fibre. This is quite nice if you just want like a savoury snack, because I get quite sick of all those like energy balls and bars. It all tastes a bit the same after a while. So yeah, this is pretty much like a clean label. It's great for fibre. Is I think in snacks in general, it's great if it has a source of fibre in, because the fibre helps you feel fuller for longer, balances out your blood sugar levels, and that's what you need when you're on the go and you're bopping in between meetings, or you've got the kids with you, or whatever. Cool. So, another favourite brand of mine is called Nerns, I think that's how you pronounce Nerns. And they do these like oaty biscuits. So this is really good. They do fruit seed and oat cakes, for example, mixed berry oat biscuits. I did a high protein cheesecake using this brand, the chocolate chip version, as the base. So you can go and check that video out. But it's just really good. They do a cheese flavour. How many grams? So this has 105 calories in a bag. Don't get too hung up on the calories. It's more about how that impacts you, rather the ingredients impacts you. But it's gluten-free again, source of protein, source of fibre, and it's baked, not fried, so that's just really good. Not greasy. And yeah, so these are just good to put in your handbag or, you know, briefcase, and just pick up and nibble these instead of going for a bag of Haribos. Go for some of these when you're at the desk and you're stressed and you didn't have time to meal prep. Instead of just buying a bag of Haribos, even though you fancy that, just have like a nibble of these biscuits and then see if the craving's still there, because this is quite a good option.
This is also a great option which you can buy from Waitrose or Boots. It's got a very clean label of just cashew nuts, dates, sultanas and some raspberry powder and some almonds. 180 calories per pack and is really high in fibre.
So yeah, and of course, you know, you can go and get a banana or just a pack of nuts. They're incredible, and then very clean label, obviously. And that's just going to do great to balance out your blood sugar levels out, get your 5 a day in there. Yeah, I think if I was in a rush, I would like go for a banana or a crispy apple or a satsuma or one of these guys. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, then and you like my stuff, then feel free to subscribe and let me know what you want to see in future videos. I've got so many things planned. But yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Have a great day.